Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Oh, it looks really good on camera. It tastes really yummy. It tastes really fresh. That's so yummy. Look at this cutie. I'm actually really excited to try this. I've never had a really good empanada.
It's pretty good.
This is amazing. This crust is so buttery and flaky and soft. The filling, it's like, you know, sometimes it's way too much bread.
Oh,
yeah.
It's like full.
Look at how juicy that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so good.